So for the next step, what I did was to take the Kevlar cord, I fed it through the top piece. I just taped it here to hold it in place so I can work with this tube without it pulling back through. And now what I need to do is I need to put some E6000 glue in a ring around the inside and then push this together like this, and then we'll be done. Now doing so will probably push some glue up against the cord. So once that's done, I'm going to take the cord, pull it tight, and then tape it again like this so that this is in a continuous line. It may get glued down in here, but that's okay as long as it's against the side. And then we'll make sure that this sticks out the end. So again, that's going to be fairly easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So again, I'm going to open this up, put some glue around the inside and slide it together, and I'll be done. Okay, so at this point the glue is dry and the rocket body is done. So the rocket body now has the build on the end, which is what the directions show. There's really no changes there. But in the middle we have our coupler, and it's hard to see, that's somewhere, here it is. Here's where the coupler is, so that worked out really nice. Then on the very end, this has a loop with a Kevlar cord. So we can now attach any recovery system that we want to with this using a knot. So I'm going to put a 2-inch streamer inside of this rocket. I wound up this streamer material. The streamer is a very good polyethylene plastic material. It's very strong, it's very thin, and this is actually an 8-foot length of it. You can see it's going to be small enough to fit inside the body. And this is what I'm going to use for the streamer. The streamer will fit right inside there, and there's just enough room for a Kevlar felt blanket in there. So if I put this in with the blanket, everything should fit in here very snug. Now I'm going to make the blanket for this 2-inch streamer, but of course I can put a 1-inch streamer in there if I want, or even a 1/2-inch streamer if I want to fly different size streamers at different weights. So I'm going to go ahead and use this 8-foot length. Again, you can see it's all wound up and it fits very nicely inside. And I'm going to go ahead and put the cord on here and start working on the actual Kevlar felt blanket for this.